Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well and great. So guys, today in this video I am going to talk about how can you do practice at home if you are alone. And so guys, a lot of beginners in initial day facing a lot of difficulties like you have not a lot of confidence to speak English. And first of all, if you want to speak English and if you want to become a fluent speaker, first of all you should have confidence, and second is that you have to energetic to speak English. And guys, coming back on my topic, and I am going to talk about three techniques to do practice at home if you are alone. So guys, first technique is that mirror technique. So guys, if you are alone at home, so guys you can use the mirror technique. And the mirror technique is very helpful for beginner and who want to improve your communication skill. And from mirror technique, you can gain a lot of confidence to speak English, because confidence for speaking English, confidence is very crucial for a beginner. And guys, so you can use mirror technique. And so if you will do this work, if you will use the mirror technique, so guys, definitely one day you can improve your communication skill. And definitely one day you become a fluent speaker. So guys, second technique is that record yourself. So guys, I hope you have in modern era a smartphone. And so guys, you have open front camera of the smartphone, and you have start to speak in English in front of camera. And guys, so if you will do this work, so guys, you can find your grammatical mistake. And so guys, you can use this technique, and this technique is very useful for beginner. So guys, third technique is that you talk with stranger. And so guys, you can go on Play Store, and on Play Store a lot of free app English speaking practice, a lot of free apps available right now. And guys, you can download easily from Play Store, and you have start to speak in English, you have start to do practice. And so guys, if you want to speak English as a language, if you want to improve your communication skills, so guys, first is that consistency, and second is that patience is very crucial for a beginner. So guys, you keep patience, and you do practice consistency. You can do practice consistency. And so consistency is very crucial for a beginner. So guys, you have go and use this technique. So guys, if you will do this work, and if you will use this technique, so guys, definitely one day you become a fluent speaker, and you speak fluently English. And guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and you have liked my video, and you have to press the subscribe button. And so have a nice day. See you again.